So a butterfly glioma starts in one frontal lobe, crosses the corpus callosum, and ends in another frontal lobe. And there's the cingulate gyrus. We need to show the cingulum, FAT, and SLF. Now, looking at this in a different plane, the tumor is going to be right here, and it's going to wrap around the cingulate gyrus from one side to another. So once we look at the more lateral view, the track's important. FAT, which just goes from the motor cortex to the premotor cortex to the SLF. We're going to go through the middle frontal gyrus. You see right here, and we're going to take it down its long axis. So again, FAT, SLF, and then we're going to enter right there, make a posterior frontal cut. That's step one. We're then going to circumferentially cut the tumor out above and below, preserving the cingulate gyrus. There's going to be mapping along the cingulate gyrus. We're going to enter the ventricle and identify the caudate head, which you see here. And then we're going to basically take out everything between the callosal sulcus and the cingulate gyrus. So in axial view, this angle looks like this. So you can see we're going to come this way, enter the ventricle just anterior to the caudate head, and then this way to wrap underneath the cingulate gyrus between the callosal sulcus and the ventricle, and everything between that's going to be removed. Then we're going to cut septum pellucidum. So again, the steps: enter the middle frontal gyrus, cut posteriorly with the FAT, circumferentially work around the ventricle, preserve the cingulate, identify the cingulate sulcus, hook lateral, and find the callosal sulcus to enter the corpus callosum. We then enter the ventricle and remove the tumor until we're biventricular. That's the next step. See, this is the area that we're going, and we want to make sure that we don't go below the genu of the corpus callosum. So as a review, step one, posterior cut in the middle frontal gyrus with FAT. Descend downward and circumferentially excise the tumor. Step two is to make a cut laterally with SLF and posteriorly with the cingulate. See, we hook around the cingulate and we preserve the cingulum until we enter the ventricle. We also separate from the caudate. So again, cut anterior and posterior until we clear the caudate. The next step, we identify the callosal sulcus, and we basically remove corpus callosum until we are biventricular. Here you can see remove biventricular, everything between the frontal horn and the callosal sulcus. We continue downward, cutting the septum pellucidum, and work